How to make a strawberry banana smoothie. Very delicious, and it's a perfect drink that you can take for breakfast. Also for lunch, you can take smoothie at any time of the day. So let's dive into this recipe. So I'll be using ripe banana. This type of ripe banana, it makes the smoothie taste really good. This smoothie recipe is very delicious. I'll be using homemade frozen strawberries. I have a video on how to make your homemade frozen strawberry. So I'm going to peel my banana. This is how I normally, sometimes I store my very ripe banana in the refrigerator to have it to make my smoothie. My family loves smoothie, especially when you add fresh ingredients into it. So I'm going to add my banana into my frozen strawberry as well. At this time, you can use any type of milk you want. So I'll be using 1 cup of milk. The more you add the milk, sometimes if you want it to be very creamy, just add 1 cup of milk into it. Then I'm going to blend until it's smooth. This smoothie recipe is very simple to make, and it's very good for breakfast. If you are on weight loss, you want to take something very simple for breakfast, you can equally use smoothie. It's very good for everyone. Kids also love it. So it's very simple to make, and you are going to serve it in a glass cup to enjoy. If you enjoy this strawberry banana smoothie, please let me know in the comment section, and please remember to give this video a like. I have so many videos on smoothie. I have so many videos on drinks. Please feel free to watch more of my videos, and please, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.